So we took a trip to Costa Rica this year for my birthday.
I'm turning 23 this year.
For birthdays, I believe everyone should travel somewhere or at least experience something new that you've never done before.
I chose Costa Rica because I really wanted to see a mix of beautiful mountains, beaches, and waterfalls.
I really want to see everything Costa Rica has to offer, so we had our days fully booked. But for the first night, we wanted to enjoy the Airbnb, celebrate my birthday, and get ready for the long days ahead. Costa Ricans have a saying that goes, pura vida. Pura vida can mean many things, from hello to bye to how are you. In English, it translates to pure life. Costa Ricans are known as one of the happiest people on earth. This is because they are grateful for everything they have, and they live life one day at a time. As I get older, I'm learning not to stress too much about the future, but really just living in the moment and enjoying every second of it.